Welcome to Cher's Kitchenomics! Mabuhay Philippines! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Namaste India, Dagonara, Hyderabad. Today we are going to make fish curry. But first we have to marinate the fish. We need 500 grams of cleaned fish, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, and 3 teaspoons of chili powder. Together with the fish, we need to combine all the spices in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, garam masala, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, chili powder, ginger and garlic paste. Rub all the masalas into the fish and marinate them for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we need to fry the fish. On a preheated pan, we need to put sufficient amount of oil for frying. Place the fish in the pan. Remember to only half fry the fish because we still need to cook it with the gravy. Fry the fish only for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we have to cook the gravy. We need to puree 4 big sizes of tomatoes, chop onion to medium size, 2 pieces of green chilies, 2 stems of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 3 teaspoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. Preheat the same frying pan, put the cumin seeds, mustard seeds, followed by onions, green chilies, and curry leaves, then mix it well. Cover the pan and wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the tomato puree, cover it with a lid, and let it simmer for some time. Once it simmers, we can now add garam masala, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix it well and wait for the gravy to cook. Once the gravy is cooked, add the tamarind paste, then 1 cup of water. Cover the gravy, then let it simmer for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, add the fried fish to the gravy. Please avoid mixing the fish so that the fish will not going to break into pieces. Let the fish simmer for 10 minutes. Now our fish is ready. Happy eating, guys! Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.